Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to cancel an incoming call right now. Make sure the screen is awake and you can reach the side button. Once the phone rings, press the side button once to silence the ringtone. Press it twice quickly to decline and send the call to voicemail. Do this confidently, short presses, not long presses. If you need to act fast, keep your thumb near the button so you don't fumble during the ring. Once the call is arriving, focus on timing. Press twice in quick succession to cancel before the caller connects. You'll see the incoming call screen disappear or return to the lock screen as confirmation. Make sure you're using short, deliberate presses, not a long hold that triggers other features. If the first double press didn't register, wait a beat and press twice again. Sometimes a slight delay between presses helps when the phone is under load. After you cancel, check the recent calls to confirm it registered as declined or missed. If the side button doesn't respond, try using assistive touch as an on-screen substitute and make sure your click speed setting isn't set too slow. That can break double press detection. If the button feels stuck, remove any case and restart the phone. One quick reboot often restores button behavior. If problems persist, consider a hardware check with a service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.